Sports. It's in the game.
Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. My name is Derek Ray, and I'm joined for commentary by the former Arsenal and West Ham player Stuart Robson. And we can't wait for this one to start with justifiable cause. It's Portugal versus Germany.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek.
Well, he's just spooned it over the top. Here's how it looks for Portugal. Rui Patricio begins in goal. Nelson Semedo plays alongside Pepe in central defence. Bernardo Silva plays alongside Bruno Fernandes in central midfield. And the focal point in attack today is Christie. Could be! Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
Bernardo Silva. And here's Cancelo. Pressing high to win the ball. Given his magnificent form, then there's every reason to believe that Cristiano Ronaldo will make an impact here.
I would describe him as majestic when he's playing at his best. He glides past defenders, he's got that ability to run with the ball into open space, he can pick out a pass, he can wriggle out of tight situations. He's the most creative player on the field today.
And very deftly cut out. He's got the right idea with that pass. There it is, and just the ideal start. And Portugal get the game restarted. Disappointed to have conceded. Now can they come up with a quick response? Splendid tackle, and a throw-in coming up. An effective challenge. Really bright-looking attack. Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. Rafa. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes. This could level it. And behind it's gone for a corner. He'll try his luck here. Oh, good work by the keeper. Oh, he's missed an open goal. What on earth happened there?
And I'm not sure how he's missed that. That's a really bad miss.
Kimmich. Germany pushing forward with options available. And credit is due for that good piece of defending. Takes the shot. And a goal here! Well, it took a definite nick. And nothing the keeper could do about it whatsoever. Back underway. Level pegging, 1 goal apiece in this game. Losing possession. Well, not giving him any breathing room. A really committed challenge, and it's gone out for a throw-in. Won it back. Now potential danger, and he's found a bit of daylight. And a goal! Another one! 2 in quick succession. No wonder they're celebrating.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
There to take it away. Opportunity in the wide area. Can they cover up? Good pressure high up the pitch. Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Jota. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
Underway again with the score at 3-1. Ronaldo. Well, keeping it on the ground. Slightly off target, however. He continues his run.
Well, as expected, Portugal have had more of the ball so far, and as a result have dominated the game. Some of their passing movements have been a joy to watch, and I don't think anything's going to change that.
And take it away. Rafa. Terrific block. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Will they profit from this situation? And a goal! Not over just yet. Moving once more, and Germany right back in this contest now. Oh, good play this. Cristiano Ronaldo. And a fine tackle. And now passing it through. Decent shot, but the post getting in the way. Goal kick it is. Well, making amends is all part of the game.
Well, no wonder he looks relieved. That could have proved costly.
Kimmich. On to Kehrer. And after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. It's a cross towards the near post. Well, there it is. Real resilience for you, having been 2 goals down. Underway once more, level at 3-3. Well, he needs to be careful here. Teammate in support. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance.
Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.
Well, how about this? 4-3. Can he make it count? Absolutely spot on with that challenge. Well, the referee deciding to let the play flow, but now it will be a booking, Stuart.
Well, as soon as the ball went dead, he was always going to book him, and he's absolutely right to do so.
Putting his body on the line. Well, didn't seem to be too much in that offside decision. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Bruno Fernandes. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. Well, it was a magical first-half performance from Cristiano Ronaldo. No doubt about that, Stuart.
Well, that was a magnificent first-half display. Not just because he scored a hat-trick, but his all-round...
So the ball is rolling again, and Germany trailing after the first half. Can they come up with a response here in the second? Jota. Now with Havertz. Kimmich. That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. And he's made it a brace for himself. The defender's just unable to stay with him. And he's having a field day. Neither side shy about shooting in this match. But attacking possibilities. And the referee has given it. It will be a penalty. Can they forge ahead? Well, some might say he's been fortunate to avoid being shown the card.
Well, I like that from the referee.
And the spot kick is converted as coolly as you like.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
And I must say, I'd have to go back quite a few years to remember the last time I covered a game with a scoreline of 5-4. Could cross it in here. Bernardo Silva. Well, that's gone out, and it is going to be a goal kick. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. And closed down straight away. Well, no stopping him. And they will be awarded a free kick for that. Goretzka. Sound piece of goalkeeping. And play halted, free kick given. Rafa. And Cristiano Ronaldo waiting. Chance maybe. And the keeper put to the test, but he comes through it.
Well, he's so sharp, isn't he? Great first save and then the recovery.
And take it away. Rafa. Ruben Diaz. Rafa. Well read to ease the pressure. Now can they counter clinically? They need to get bodies back. And a chance to level it. Well, a piece of quick thinking by the keeper.
Well, that's great goalkeeping. He read it so well, didn't he?
Ruben Diaz. It's with Joao Cancelo. On the ball, Ruben Diaz. Joao Cancelo. And this could pose problems for the defenders. Wonderful goalkeeping. From Manuel Neuer. And they will make the change now. Playing it in. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. .20 minutes remaining. Tremendous ball played through. And a goalkeeper on top of his game.
Well, it's great goalkeeping. What a big save that is.
Well, they're going for the short one. A very timely interception. And space here on the flank. Jota. And couldn't keep himself onside. Sané. Oh, this is looking promising. Gnabry! Superb stop. Well, the pass not finding its target. Very quick thinking there. Nelson Semedo. The ball with Pepe. João Cancelo. Well, shortly we'll hear the final whistle. The home side with the lead. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, what a game this has been. Some of their attacking play has been absolutely brilliant, and there's been some great individual performances as well. But they've been far too open to the counter-attack, and that's why they're still clinging on here.
Rafa. Pepe. They're really pressing their opponents.
Well, what an atmosphere we've got inside this stadium. The fans are driving the players on. Surely they'll hang on here.
Well, nicely cut out. Promising looking attack. Ronaldo with plenty of time. Terrific save.
Well, that's a top-class save. He read it so well.
Another goal from this corner would in all likelihood secure victory. Elects to go short. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Now that'll be a... free kick. Leon Goretzka. Sané has it. Or do they have it in them to level this? Havertz. And denied by the... And there it is, the final whistle. And the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces. Took a definite nick, and nothing the keeper could do about it whatsoever. Won it back. Now potential danger, and he's found a bit of daylight. And a goal! Another one! Two in quick succession. No wonder they're celebrating. Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Jota. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here. And now, passing it through. Decent shot, but the post getting in the way. Goal kick it is. Well, he needs to be careful here. Teammate in support. And he's only gone and made it a hat-trick. Absolutely unplayable today. What a performance. And the spot kick is converted as coolly as you like.